Shoo! What's up, guys? Back out here again. Today's Thursday. It's 5:30 in the afternoon. We're gonna go try to do a fast rip. It's a quick one. This video is gonna be real short, so we're gonna go take a rip right up to Kalahel Mountain. Check out the views from up there. So let's get it. Alright guys, we're up here. Let's go hit a fast run this afternoon. The sun's almost down already. See if we can just burn through this a fast run. Oh my god, it looks super overgrown. Whoa. Man, I haven't came up here in a while, so I don't know how it's gonna be. Woo! Wow. Jeez. I can't see shit. Oh. Oh man. Whoa. Oh shit. I do not know where the edge is because it goes down. There's a little edge, but I want to go over. Ah! Oh! Whoa! Oh, bugs. Bruh. Show bugs. Yeah, it's bugs. Ah. Yuck. Ah. Oh, bitch. Woo. Oh, I freaking nailed a couple of them. Yeah. Oh, it is super green up here today, man. Oh, up here caught cracks, man. Coming up, that thing is just terrible. Like, there's no, I don't know, it's nuts. Wow. Woo. You know, this whole time I'm doing all the views for you guys, I totally forgot that I have my iPhone and I could just use that to zoom into things. So we'll go use that iPhone right now and zoom in. Let's go. Woo. Okay guys, check out this view. This is so sick up here, man. From all this rain that we've been having, oh, these mountains are so green. Up here is usually dead because we are in Kailua, up Kalahel Mountain. See all the way down there. See if we can see it from here. Right there's the lighthouse in the corner. Kailua. Slani Kai down there. And there's a military beach that we can't go. Oh, I actually got some waves down there today. Shoo! See what else we got. What do we got? Oh yeah, we're here in the military base. Let's see if there's aliens. Where's those UFOs, bro? See helicopters. Oh, planes. Oh, I can't see in the bunkers. Ah, no more UFOs. Chinaman's hat. Sheesh. Boom, right there's the H3. That bugger goes from there. That's the start of the H3 over there. All the way up there. So actually last week, that's where I was. I was in, well, right by at the bottom of that tunnel. And these mountains were the mountains with all the waterfalls inside. So if we back up a little bit, that whole town is Kaneohe. Try to zoom in a little bit. Kaneohe Bay. Yeah, and then the other videos, let's see. Well, right there is the dump. And then, so that's dump road right there. Everybody rides in here. But behind that mountain, up on the back of that, that's Mount Willie. So that's where we always ride. But, yep. Let's keep on going. Man, that thing was all bust up down there, so we'll check it out some more. So nice up here. Well, let's go. Let's get out of here already. See how it is down there. Man, it is so bust up here coming up. I'm definitely gonna have to come up here and do some maintenance. You know, oh my God, I can't see. Oh, shoot. Ah! Coming up, this is easy. Going down is hard. Oh man, it's all right. Oh shit! Oh my God! Oh, holy fuck! Oh damn! Oh shit. Oh, come on. Whew, all right, you guys. That was a fast little run. That was a cool one. I mean, it's bust up here, man. I gotta come back up here and do some work. So, yeah, it doesn't look like the kids made jumps anymore on there. But yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. If you made it this far, subscribe. Like, you know what to do, man. Thank you guys for watching. I am out of breath right now, dying. Whew. All right, guys, thank you. Yes, sir.